Now choose your posture. Again, you can get back to the lotus or seated cross-legged. It doesn't matter, right? Now let's do 3 chanting, right? Sound and vibration. So the awareness is first on the breath you inhale before you chant, and the breath as you exhale. The second focus can be your sound, the sound you create, right? The sound of your own body, the soul, how it emanates from your body. So don't judge the sweetness of the sound, voice. So just be aware of the tone of the sound. The third experience is the vibration the sound creates. There are deeper, low frequency vibrations that gets created by doing this chanting. So you can focus on the vibrations, right? So it's up to that understanding. If you practice this chanting or sounding these mantras, you are able to feel the breath, the tone of your voice, and the vibration it creates. Ready? Put your hands in Chin Mudra, or here, this is called Dhyan Mudra, right? Back straight. So you are going to say Aum, and when you chant the letter A, become aware of your lower abdominal area and the abdomen. U, chest and throat. M, facial parts, forehead, temples, and the top of your head, right? So be aware of this area as you do this A, U, and Im sound, and then try to give an equal gap for each letter, right? So A for a certain time, and U and Im. Close your eyes and back straight. Shoulders relax. Sit tall. Relaxed focus. You breathe in. Breathe in. Again, when you chant A, abdomen, U, chest, forehead and temples. Breathe in. Again. Again. Don't store any tension in the body. Just relax your shoulders, relax your legs, keep your back straight, stack your body, and just sit still for a few moments, keeping a relaxed focus on the eyebrows, forehead. Observe the breath, very calm, relaxed, very little movement in your breath. Relaxed effort in keeping the body in this still seated posture. Simply observe your breath. How the breath is moving through the nose. Observe how the breath is moving through the nose and through the throat. Observe how the breath moves through the nose, the throat, and moving the chest. Be aware of the movement of your breath and the abdomen. Certainly there are sounds, some plans, some thoughts and ideas comes in. Just for now, let go of those thoughts. Be aware of this seated posture, your body, your breath. Relaxed focus on this state. Let's do one more breathing, humming bee breathing. This is also very de-stressing, calming, especially with today's lifestyle as we are going through lockdowns. This can be very helpful to keep a good mood balance and calm our mind. So see here, we breathe in, then we close the ears with our palms. Make the humming sound, a very low, relaxed, breathing, longer breath, and a very low tone where you are only able to hear the sound. Again, listen to the sound, observe the breath movement and the vibration it creates. Ready? First, bring your palms near the ears. Inhale first, then close your ears. Once we are done, you can rest your hands on the knees. Rest for a second and then begin one more time. Breathe in. Close the ears. Naturally, the effort of this breathing, we want to keep the breath long during the exhalation as you create this sound. Observe the breath, the sound and the vibrations, right? A longer exhalation as much as you can. Let's finish with one more time. Breathe in. Thank you very much for attending this class with me. Hope this class will give you a calm, relaxed mindset to carry on with your daily events for the rest of the day. See you in another class. Namaste. Hope you are all watching the videos and practicing it regularly. Make sure you don't sit on a couch or lie on the bed and watch these videos. Please take your mat, lay it down and start your practice and follow these videos as you practice. I will surely upload more videos that will enhance your yoga journey. Please come back and check out for the latest videos. Namaste.